Cachar police have seized over 4,000 bottles of illegal cough syrup on Tuesday evening. According to the police, a vehicle was intercepted at the Gorkhal checkpost at Assam-Meghalaya border on Tuesday. Upon thorough search of this vehicle, the police team recovered 43 cartons totaling 4,380 bottles of codeine phosphate cough syrup. The seized items are said to be worth 40 lakhs. One person, namely Ratul Das from Silchar, was apprehended and further investigation is ongoing, informed SSP Cachar Partha Pratim Das.